K2Tog or knit two together and the SSK are oftentimes used together in patterns such as sweater patterns where you are asked to decrease at each end of the row. And the reason why you would do that is because it allows your decreases to go in opposite angles to one another. So it's an aesthetic choice because you really can't see the decrease just if you're just walking by. Both the SSK and the knit two together can look fairly invisible if you're just kind of glancing at the fabric, but knitters like to know that they've done something that I think is just kind of aesthetic. And so here you can see the SSK is angling to the left, and so that's my SSK right there, and the angle of the decrease is going towards the left. If you have a pattern that tells you to decrease at each end of a row, then it's oftentimes nice to use a knit two together and an SSK as a pair in that row. When they tell you to decrease at each end of the row, sometimes people or sometimes patterns will tell you to do it right at the beginning. But if they don't specify, I like to go in at least 1 or 2 stitches into the row, just because I think it gives you a nicer, cleaner edge, especially if you are seaming together pieces for a sweater or for something that has lots of pieces. If you do a decrease right at the edge, it creates kind of a thicker section and it's harder to seam into. So I usually will work 2 stitches in. That's my preference. So I'm going to work 2 knit stitches and then I'll do a knit 2 together. So that is putting my right hand needle tip into the front of the next 2 stitches like a knit stitch, and I just knit those 2 together. And then I'll work to the end of the row. And here I have 4 stitches remaining. And you need to have 4 stitches remaining if you want to end with 2 regular knit stitches, because the SSK always uses up 2 stitches and it will result in 1 stitch left because you're decreasing by 1 stitch. So with the SSK, I'll slip as if to knit, slip as if to knit, put the left tip into the front of those loops and knit those 2 together, and knit 2. And then you can see that your decreases are going in opposite directions.